Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I achieved this very beautiful style. Let's quickly get to work. First of all, I'm going to take out a small section at the front. So I'm just going to form a triangle like this. So I'll just quickly put that in a twist just to keep it in place. Next, I'm going to put the rest of the hair in a high puff. But before then, I'll just quickly detangle and stretch the hair with my hands. Then I use my shoelace for the high puff. It's just the regular high puff. Next, I'm going to section the puff into smaller sections, like 4 to 5 different sections. So I'll just play around with the position of the twist and pin I am doing. So I'll just repeat that. I'll just twist and pin. Just a kind of loose twist, just twist the tip. Notice I twisted just the tips, then I'll just pin and it will form this very beautiful puff. So that was a total of 5 sections. You can make yours smaller or bigger depending on the length of your hair. So now that side of the hair is ready. You can go ahead and add more pins just so if you need it. So next, I came over to the front, just detangling it with the comb. So look at what I'm doing here. I'm twisting just the tip. Then I rolled it over my hands towards my front hair and I pinned it down with a bobby pin. So I use my hands to press it down. I'll try to form a fringe. Here I'm using a comb and gently stretching it forward because I wanted it to come a bit forward. So I'll just use my hand to arrange. So just use your hand to arrange the front part like this and be stretching it too horizontally. Then you keep pressing it down. So I'm also pinning down that side of the fringe just to put that section in that part in place. Next, I'm going to use my hair tie. I was in a hurry here, so I didn't spend time. I didn't allow the hair tie to stay longer, but if it stayed longer it would have been easier. So I'll just take down the hair tie. It didn't slip the way I wanted, so I'll just go in with bobby pins on the side like that. Just make sure you push the bobby pins inside your hair, not on top of your hair. It doesn't have to be visible. So I'll repeat the same thing on this side and our hair is ready. It's as easy as that. And here is the final look. Tell me what you think. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Also remember to give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section.